Question: how could Lucifer be the rogue in the fall of Adam and Eve, and become Satan, since supposedly everything, including the angelic realm, is created in the image of God? In Lucifer's mind there was no evil from the beginning. He only had a desire, which in itself is not evil. He had a desire to receive more love from God and envied Adam and Eve for the greater love they received from God. The desire in itself was not evil. Lucifer abused his desire. His desire led to wrong behavior. Lucifer knew that it would be Adam and Eve and the rest of humanity who would dominate in love and care all of creation when they became perfect, including Lucifer and the angelic world. This prompted him to draw Eve to himself. In this way evil was created. The spiritual self is like a child and the physical self like a big adult. We can be easily suppressed spiritually in ourselves. Let us never trust ourselves too much. Let us trust God and follow His laws, and become so strong spiritually, so that our physical desire cannot control us and drive us to sin, in order to satisfy it or possess something or someone. Jesus said in the Bible that we are Satan's children, John 8 verse 44, which means we have his satanic spiritual blood in us. That is why we need a Messiah to be saved, to receive through him a new offspring of pure blood.